I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the whipped cream maker and show you how to make whipped cream with it. If you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, links and information are in the description below. Just gonna quickly go over the parts of the whipped cream maker. You have your container with your fill line on it. It does come with a non-slip. Why can I not say that? Not non-slip.
It is non-slip.
Oh, I had it right. It didn't sound right at all. You have a silicone base, which is non-slip, which also doubles as a lid for once you're done making your whipped cream. You have a rod, the paddle, and the lid. So when you put it together after maybe washing it, you're just gonna slip it through and reattach your paddle. You just wanna twist it on and make sure it is on tight. Clip it in, put your base on, you're ready to make whipped cream. You only need 3 ingredients to make whipped cream. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then you're gonna add your heavy whipping cream. I add that one last because then it makes it easier to not go past the fill line. Once you have all 3 in, you're just gonna put on your lid, lock it in place, and then start mixing. Once you start to feel resistance, you can check it and decide if you want to whip it more, which I'm going to whip mine more because this is still loose. But if you like it like that, you could use it. Close it up. And there you have homemade whipped cream, super easy to do. You can go ahead and serve it right out of this container with a spatula or a spoon. And then if you have leftovers, you just take off the base and it becomes your lid and you can store it right in your refrigerator. And then clean up, you can put it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. You can also make butter and fluffy scrambled eggs in it. And if there's something you do with yours, let me know in the comments. I'd love to have new ideas. I hope you guys found this helpful and I'll talk to you next time.